Today we'll be learning the kick and side step. This video has been flipped for your convenience. So anything I do on the right is your right, and anything I do on the left is your left. Let's slowly level up to this step. We'll start with some side stepping, which will just look like this. So we're going to do about 16 of those. It goes right, left, left, right. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's move on to the next level. We're going to be doing very similar thing, except now when we go and side step, we'll be crisscrossing. It will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll do that 16 beats, starting right on the ground, then crossing over. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you saw, you would have experienced yourself. We're actually crossing on the odd beats, so 1 and 3. Now we're going to do that again, but I'm going to add in the and beats in it, just to help you with the musicality so we can level up to level 3, where we'll be doing the kick and the side step. Starting from the beginning, with the left foot going over. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and again, you can't see my face. So now we're on level 3. We have leveled up to the main move. So what's happening here is that we kick out our left leg for 1 and it comes back, 2, right leg goes out, and it stays in that position. Okay? Then from here, 3, right leg goes out and comes back in, 4, left leg goes out and stays in that position. So it looks like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. With this move, you can progress forward. And that's because as we go and we kick out, when we bring it back in, we step a bit ahead of our other leg. So this will be 1 and, then 2 and, 3 and, 4 and, 5 and. Make sure that the leg that kicks out and comes back is just slightly ahead of the leg that's on the ground. Putting the explanation together, doing it together, starting with our left leg kicking out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And we progress and move forward. There's different things that you can do with your hand. What I do, but you can also go 1 and 2. Right, you can just do whatever you enjoy. Let's practice it with the song. Groove, 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 groove. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 6, 7, 8. Good. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to start again now. Yeah. Yeah. Soni De Nakhre. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and Soni De Nakhre. Another variation, but just focus on the legs. You can groove other ways.